Hi everybody, my name is Kemal and I'm a senior at Okemos High School. Fun fact about me is that I really love playing classical guitar, and it's actually one of my favorite things to do. Today I want to show everybody how to make my very impressive Halloween card that I make for my family and friends every year, and they love it every single time. So first we take a sturdy piece of paper. We need a sturdy thing that we can draw on so that the paper doesn't rip. I'm using this paint pad. And finally we need some markers. So the first step is we take our piece of paper and we fold it in half. So when we're folding in half, we need to make sure that we're getting the corners lined up, and then we're going to press on the fold like this. And I like to go over it a couple times just to make sure that it's very flat right there. So on the front page, I usually like to add happy, Halloween, so that people understand what kind of card they're getting. And I'll even add by me. Now, I like to make a couple of drawings on the front. So my first favorite kind of drawing to make is a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern. So how you make that is you draw two ear-shaped lobes like this, and you connect them in the middle, just like that. And then I usually like to add like a stem right there. And finally, I add the eyes. I really like triangle eyes. So that's what I'll add the nose. And I'll even add the mouth. And the mouth has two little dents for teeth. And another drawing I like to make on the front is I really like to make a ghost that looks like that. And I will add two eyes like that, and it will look very spooky. Now, for the inside, I usually like to add and say boo. However, you can make any kind of message you want. It's your Halloween card, don't forget. Now, for the two sides of the boo, I have a couple things I like to make. First of all, I like to make my favorite witch spider. To make the witch spider, I add a big circle, and I add the legs. Don't forget that the spider has 8 legs. I will add eyes, and I will give it a big old smile just to make sure that people know this spider and you are very excited that it's Halloween. And I like to add a big witch hat. And on it, I like to have like a little stripe just so that people understand that it's a witch hat on the spider. And for the other side, because it's a holiday, I like to add some balloons just so that people understand that I'm very happy that it's Halloween. And that is how I make my famous Halloween card every year. Don't forget that if you want Halloween stories or any other kind of stories, you have amazing resources in your school's library. Don't forget to keep reading, keep learning, and keep being curious. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.